Welcome everyone! Can you believe that all these videos on this channel are created entirely using AI tools? Not only do these videos generate millions of views, but they also earn substantial revenue on YouTube. Today, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating a faceless YouTube channel that can earn you a passive income. So, without any further delay, let's dive right in. This tutorial is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, choosing a niche. Part 2, selecting a name. Part 3, creating a video. Let's start with Part 1, selecting a niche. To help with this, I'll be using ChatGPT to brainstorm some faceless YouTube channel ideas and find a topic that we can create AI-generated videos about. After some exploration, I've settled on the idea of an animal facts channel. Moving on to Part 2, choosing a name. I reached out to ChatGPT again to generate unique YouTube channel names centered around animal facts. After careful consideration, I've come up with the name Nature's Notebook for our channel. Now, let's get to the most crucial part. Part 3, making the video. To simplify the process, I'm utilizing 3 AI tools. First, ChatGPT will help us create a script. Second, Pixel will provide us with stunning video footage. Third, Play.it will handle the voiceover. Starting with the script, I turned to ChatGPT for assistance in finding an interesting bird name. We decided on the harpy eagle. Then I asked ChatGPT for intriguing facts about this bird within a concise 50-word limit. Next, I used Play.it to create a professional voiceover that would bring our script to life. The voiceover adds a personal touch to the video. To enhance the visual appeal, I went to Pixel and downloaded breathtaking 4K footage of the harpy eagle. Now, it's time to edit the video. I've chosen to work with CapCut for its user-friendly interface. Here, you'll combine the video footage, voiceover, and auto-generated captions. Don't forget to add a captivating background that complements the content. And there you have it, the final result.
The harpy eagle holds the title for the largest and most powerful eagle in the Americas. With a wingspan of up to 7 feet, it's an apex predator that primarily hunts tree.
An engaging YouTube video that not only educates but also entertains. By utilizing AI tools effectively, we've created content that captivates the audience. Remember, each step is crucial in crafting a successful YouTube channel. So go ahead, choose your niche, create a compelling name, and make use of AI tools to produce high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. Best of luck on your journey to